So welcome to this special edition of Livegood. And today, I did not do my calling today. I'm going to do my calling tomorrow because I had some things going on this afternoon. I got started late, and I will make up for the calling tomorrow. Usually I don't make up calls when I miss a day. I usually don't miss a day, but I want to tomorrow. I feel it's reasonable for me to make the calls for tomorrow. So it's the consistency and doing this every single day, which is really important. And I'm going to recommit to doing this every single day. So the topic of this video is other health-related network marketing companies that I have been involved with. And this is just my personal opinion, right? Your results may vary. Not bashing any of the companies that I have been in because all of them have had an impact on my journey, and I've learned quite a bit of content just going through these different companies. So I have no regrets at all. In fact, I really believe I wish I would have dedicated more time and attention to these other companies. So I'll start out with the big one, the big A, Amway. I was in Amway back in the day. I was actually joined Amway back when I was in Germany, and me and my former boss got involved with Amway. And I'll tell you, Amway has really excellent products. They're more expensive. You're going to pay more. You're going to pay a premium for better products, but their products are rocking. I mean, they have really good products that are made in the United States, and it's a tremendous organization, and many people have had their careers, have had successful careers in Amway, and even a lot of people who didn't succeed in Amway, they went on to go into other companies and were successful in that. And a lot of people have said that they don't regret the experience of being involved with Amway. So, and Amway, we have to thank Amway because Amway really pioneered this industry, and they've been, all these different network marketing companies get sued by the government. They get sued by other people. Their competitors, their mainstream competitors, want to keep them out of the marketplace. They do everything they can. They fight tooth and nail, and their competitors who have millions and millions of dollars and lobbyists and all that, they're fighting every day to take the network marketing industry down. And I believe that they've come very close to that on in different occasions in history. So we've got to thank Amway because Amway really blazed the trail. And I think they're still a top tier company, and they're like the top company in the world. So a lot of the startup companies aspire to be like Amway, and they're a fantastic organization. What I didn't like about Amway is that at least the time that I was in, there was like a supplementary business that the upline had. I think they fixed this. I don't really know. Like, you can comment if you know. But they would sell tools. They would sell audio cassettes, and your upline would sell event tickets and things like that. And that was like a supplementary business. And there was some scandals about that. I don't know if they fixed that or how they deal with that in this day and age. It's been a long time since I've been out. And then another company that I used to be involved with is called Herbalife. And Herbalife, too, is an excellent company. And when I first tried their products, I actually did lose weight. I lost a considerable amount of weight, and I needed to because I was in the military at the time. And I lost weight, and they have good products, and they're a good company, and they're located in California, I believe. And they, too, there's like this person that wants to like take them down and like sell their stock out short and things like that. All kinds of, just terrible people out there who want to do for no reason at all. It's just people are so miserable. They can't be happy unless they're miserable. So they try to like spread their misery around, and they try to take down legitimate businesses. So if you hear about a company being taken down by the government or they go out of business, just keep in mind that it's not always because it's been a scam. It's a lot of times these are legit companies, and these are people who start these companies with the best of intentions. And there's bullies, and their competitors and all that are doing everything they possibly can to put them out of business, right? Because it's It's their interest to keep people down. They want to keep people not in the network marketing industry. Because I really think the best network marketing company has yet to take stage. I mean, Amway and Herbalife are two of the big giants, but they're just, I think the best days for network marketing are still ahead, even though this industry's been in existence for a long time. So from what I've heard said is that it's almost been ruled illegal. And it was the same thing like when franchises first came out, they almost were shut down by regulators and things like that because it was new. It's just a new thing, and people, there's always going to be someone who's going to say that they were taken advantage of. We live in a litigious society where people want to sue each other, and that's just the way it is. That's just the name of the game. So I was in Amway, I was in Herbalife, I used to be in Jeunesse. So Jeunesse was a good company. They're actually located not far from where I live, and they were recently sold their company. But with all those companies, Jeunesse, Amway, Herbalife, I never got them off the ground. I've never had real success with recruiting anybody into these organizations. It's tough, and you need to go and you have to really put in the hours and really build your skill sets. And that's more of on me than anything, because there's people who have been successful. And I have a mentor, and he's like, average and ordinary people make nothing. Exceptional people make exceptional incomes. Which are you? Are you exceptional, or are you average and ordinary? Because if you're average and ordinary, you might as well not even try. But if you're an exceptional person, you can make exceptional money. But you're going to work for it, and you're going to put the time in. But it's much better than getting a job or starting a traditional business. You can literally just put the sweat equity in and then build that business. So so I was in Jeunesse. There was another company that I'm still technically involved with. It's a very big company. I don't want to mention the name because I am still a member of this company, and I buy their products every month, and their products are really good. The downside with this company is that the products are more expensive, so you pay for that extra quality, and it's a lot harder to market because they have very strict rules about marketing, and you have to do it in a very specific way. And I found it to be very, very hard to be in this particular company, to at least market this company. But again, other people I know people who are six-figure income earners in that company. So been in a lot of different health-related network marketing companies. Livegood, why I like Livegood, it's very simple. The products, the commissions are not really built into the cost of the products. The price of the products are really comparable to what you buy in the grocery store. They use a membership model, just like Sam's Club or Costco or Amazon Prime. You pay a $50 one-time membership fee and then $10 every month thereafter. So it's low cost, low barrier to entry. It's a simple business. They provide all the tools. They provide the website. They provide the autoresponder, the funnel, the training, everything. So you don't need to go to conferences. You don't need to buy a garage full of things you're not going to use. You only buy the items that you want to buy, that you need to buy for your health, just in time, just when you need them. So that's basically it. I think Livegood is a very good, practical solution, very good entry-level network marketing company to be in. And, I think it's a no-brainer. So, let me know if you have any comments or questions. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you next time.